Alright, this is the real world problem help video, and I'm hoping I will be able to help and be able to show you a few things. So I'm going to get on here so that I can write on the screen. Cancel, hopefully it'll let me. There we go. And I'm going to show my work over here, so make this half side. Remember, I'm not going to tell you the answer, I'm just going to help you get started. So from there you'll see I'll start on this one, and then if you want to pause the video to finish. So again, I'm going to put my work over on this side right over here. So here's a question. 5 students were running a race. Halfway through the race, we recorded how much of the race the students had completed. The table below shows how much of the race they finished. Please write the students' names in order from fastest to slowest. So it seems like I need to compare these 5 people in terms of how far they went. So what I'm going to attempt to do is I'm going to draw a picture. I feel like that would be really helpful for this, for me to see exactly how much. So I'm going to try my best here to make 5 holes that are as equivalent as possible. Try and squeeze one right up here. And I'm going to have Jonathan here, I'm going to have Alex here, Nick, Emma, and Lily. So Jonathan, I'm going to split this into 4 equal pieces here. And I wonder if I can make another color. Let me see if I can. Jonathan did 2/4. So let me see. Alex ran 3/4. So I'm going to try and make these breaks at the same point. 3/4, about that much. So I can tell Alex ran more than John. Then let me see. Jonathan. Nick did 9/10. So I'm going to try my best to split this into 5 equal pieces. And I'm going to split these in half again. And this may not be as accurate. I may need to get the fraction tiles to see. So this one is going to be 9/10, which I can see is more than any of the other ones, which makes sense because out of 9 out of 10 pieces, that's quite a few. And then I have a third, so I'm going to try my best to split these into thirds. And it looks like Emma, 1/3. Now I can't tell if 1/3 or 2/4 is equal, because it looks like this one's more, but I hope that's right. I think that's probably close enough. And then Lily, I need to split that into 6. So let me try this again. And she ran 5/6. Interesting. So just from looking at this picture, hopefully this will help you compare those fractions after seeing them. Now pictures aren't always accurate, so you may want to double check with the fraction tiles, but hopefully that'll help you with that first one. So if you want, you can pause the video now and try and solve the rest. And I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do the bottom one. Cancel. No thank you. No saving. Just a new page. No, do not save the file first. Perfect. Alright, now the bottom problem you have is it says Tyree scored a total of 30 points in 4 games. He scored the same amount in game 1, 3, and 4. He scored 3 times as many points in the second game as he did the first game. How many points did she score in the second game? Draw a model to determine how many points Tyree scored in the second game. So it seems like there was 4 games here. Oh, let me get off the highlighter. I'm going to draw a model to show. So I'm going to say points is what I'm looking at. And it seems like there was 3 games, but I noticed something. It said game 1, 3, and 4 over here. But then he scored 3 times as many in the second game. So if this represents game 1, this represents game 3, and this represents game 4, and it says the second game is 3 times as many as the first, so it seems like I would just need 3 of these to be able to see. And all of these together equal game 2. Now it said there was a total of 60, not 60, a total of 30 points altogether. So if all of these boxes in the end are supposed to equal 30, how could I distribute 30 evenly and figure out exactly how many points I scored in game 2? So that's all the help I'm going to give you on that one. Good luck!